Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, where we serve you interesting gist happening in and around Nigeria. Still on the Big Brother Naija 2019 edition, Tacha is set to release new song with Slim Case. Former reality TV star Tacha will be releasing a new single soon, and we can't wait to listen to it. Natasha Akide, popularly known as Tacha, says she will be releasing a single soon with Slim Case. Tacha, who recently broke away from Bill's Vision Management, took to her social media page as she told fans to expect a lot from her in 2020, as she will be storming the Nollywood industry as well. The self-proclaimed Port Harcourt first daughter, who was disqualified from the show's 2019 edition, made this known in an exclusive interview with Pulse. According to the reality TV star who built her fan base since her participation in the show, she will be leaving her comfort zone as an entrepreneur to another zone. I have a song coming out with Slim Case, so you all should anticipate, Tacha said. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think Tacha will make a good musician? Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Naija News and Entertainment. And as well, don't forget to hit on the bell button to get notification when a new story drops, so you won't miss out on any gist, guys. Thank you. Have fun.